So I was gonna make this like the TikTok, Instagram shorts thing where it's like transition, oh cake, transition, oh ice cake. Until I saw this video 3 weeks ago by Feline, and in her video she wears a mask to protect her identity and privacy's sake, and I was like, I'm gonna do that. Format Feline, haha. So I don't know where I got this amazing idea, but one day I decided I'm gonna make the last ditch layer cake from Just Add Magic for my birthday. So about the cake I will be making is the last ditch layer cake from the show Just Add Magic. The cake has 3 layers, each containing different magical ingredients to break a curse Mama P put on Saffron Falls in the end of season 1, which the cake also ended up breaking all the curses in Saffron Falls. So as I said, there are 3 layers to the cake. The top layer is blue, middle one is pink, and the bottom layer is green. The blue layer is the lapsus layer, which affects mobility. The pink layer is the whirlpost layer, which affects physically. And the green layer is the Taurian layer, which affects time. Of course, we don't have these magical ingredients in real life, so we will be replacing it with normal ingredients and making it real life flavored. Blue layer is blueberry, pink is strawberry, and green is pistachios. I also learned just now from the wiki fandom that the cake in the show also had those ingredients incorporated in the cake. The recipe for this cake is by Rosanna Pansino with collaboration with Olivia Sanabia, which is the actress for Kelly Quinn in the show. Here I have the recipe written out. In the video, Rosanna uses cups as measurements, but because we don't have the measuring cup, I went ahead and did the math and calculated it in grams because for some reason we think that taking out a scale and an extra bowl to pour out the ingredients to the exact amount is way less work than just having a measuring tool to measure it out. Brilliant. There are 3 cakes, so I'm gonna start with the easiest one. Actually, wait, we need pistachio. Roasted pistachio. Well, this is salted pistachio. What's the difference between roast and boil?
Boil is with steaming the fruit. Roast is you put it on top of a heating sauce and it's dry.
Ah, well, the cake's gonna be a little salty because you got salted pistachios. Ah. Can we straight up just eat these as a snack? If I eat one of these straight up, will I die?
No.
They saw you anyway. See? Thank you. Oh, I did it. Tastes like nuts.
It is.
I need to peel off the shells off, right? This is gonna be a process. This one I need to roast, but I also need to boil 2 tablespoons of pistachios. How much pistachios is 2 tablespoons? 5 pieces is 2 tablespoons. Why do they not come peel? Why do I have to do the peeling? You want to help me peel the pistachios? Don't walk away. Ow! 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 Ah! Is this watch waterproof? If I do like this, their heads are exposed, so I'm gonna hang it on my ponytails. I need a knife to cut it. But Mom broke the knife we used to cut fruit. So which knife do I use?
Thinking about the knife?
I can kill you with this thing. Why is everyone cleaning out the room while I'm cooking? The dust is gonna get into the cake. It's only like what, 5 meters? 2 meters? 10 meters? Sure not. This is a very good cutting board. Okay. So I have to crack them one by one. There's a shell. Come here, little eggshell. Come out. I'm gonna send you on a vacation. A vacation to the drain. And there's another eggshell. Brilliant. Actually, there's 2 in here.
Why the wall behind you is very empty?
Because it is empty. I don't know. Mom doesn't decorate the house. Why is it on? What?
How is it out?
It's supposed to be off. Okay. Ah!
Oh.
Now whisk together your puree, eggs, and extracts into a medium-sized bowl.
What's the next step? Oh wait, I wasn't supposed to put the egg in the blender. Oh well. I may have burned a few of the roasted pistachios, but Mom, where is the food processor you use to process your meat? Huh? Where? Huh? The blender? No, it's gonna kill me. If it can handle meat, it can handle nuts. Yeah, fruit is soft. Fruit is not hard. Meat is also hard. Yeah, nut and meat are hard. I mean, meat are hard. I can't bite into it. So I may have burnt a few of the pistachios, but it's fine. It's an extra crisp. It's fine. See? It's just a little bit of black. It's just a little bit of black. Okay. How does this thing work? does it work? Mom, how does your food processor work? Mommy, how does your food processor work? How to work? How to? Also, I need to wash it. Hopefully it doesn't kill me. Eh? Is there a button? I need to add water. Ah! This does not look anything like paste. Okay. I have gloves. I cannot. Okay. Oh no, okay. Hopefully the chopstick won't stay pink forever. Ah! There's some chunks of butter in it. Hopefully it's alright. Can someone open the oven for me? I did not even plug in the oven. We do not have milk, so I have to make it out of milk powder. I do not know the ratio of water to milk powder to make milk. This is really great quality. There's another shelf. Okay. So my sister has a class right now. I'm gonna be making it here. She's got to sit down for a while. I have no idea what I need to add. My iPad is outside. I will assume I need shortening. Oh! The bottom cracked! Looks like we're gonna need to find this a new container. Because we only need a little bit. Can I eat this raw? Because what does it taste like? Ow! This needs a new container. Hopefully no ants come in. So I also need buttermilk. 32 grams of buttermilk. But we don't have buttermilk. So I did some research and it says that you can just add lemon juice to normal milk and it makes buttermilk. There's a mosquito trying to eat my lemon. just need a little bit. How much lemon do we need? Is that too much? I squeezed in like a good amount. Oh, it smells like lemon. I don't have time to wash the mixing bowl, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. This might result in some accidents. Okay, no. We're using our hands because it got a little bit out of control. Just spread it. Okay, it really does go everywhere. I might have broken something. Oh shit! I'm also very tired. No blueberry jam for breakfast anymore. So it's been a little bit. All the cakes are done baking. We ran into small problems with the blueberry cake. So what happened was, I took it out. I wanted to put it on a plate, like flip it over, put it on a plate. And when I did, it felt a little crumbly, and because the bottom is facing the top, because I flipped. So I wanted to flip it over so the top is facing the top. And when I did, it kind of broke. So what me and my mom decided to do was to squish it down back into the pan and let it bake for 10 more minutes. It's on the bottom of the cake, of the layer, so it's... No, it's on the top. I forgot it was on the top. Actually, I have a new plan. So I'm gonna ice the cake, put the middle layer, strawberry, put the middle layer on, ice it, put that on, flip it over, and then... But first we need to make the icing. This is ant territory. We got this buttercream, and I hope this is enough. 907 grams. Pour into a chilled bowl. My bowl is not chilled. My bowl is not chilled, but it's not hot, so I think we're fine. You know what? Let's just go and put this in the fridge for 2 seconds. We don't have an actual turntable. So what I have here is basically, this is the Lazy Susan thing you use to keep your stuff. And this is a plate. I just put it on. So, just a makeshift turntable. You gotta work with what you've got if you have cheap parents. I think that's long enough for the bowl. It's pretty chilled. It's fine. Then we shake before we pour. How vigorously do we shake this thing? I do not know how to open this thing. I've never opened a milk carton before because Mom doesn't buy milk cartons. Which way is up? How do I open this thing? The bowl is not chilled anymore. Ooh! And then I'm gonna mix it. This is more kitchen stuff that will be stained pink forever. The turntable is working nice. I am so scared. Flip it over. Oh, it's a little slanted. It's a lot slanted actually. But it should be fine. Right? Right? It should be fine. 1, 2. It's not as easy as they make it seem, but it's also not as hard as they make it seem. The professionals make it seem easier and the noobs make it seem harder. Okay, what do I do now? I'm going to do a flip. back of. Oh no! It's fine. It didn't go as planned, but it's fine. Oh god. Oh man. This is not actually that bad. No, don't fall off. Put you there for me. Mom, please don't come in here. This is chaos. Please, no one come in here. The thing is this plate, we cannot ice the bottom because of this plate. Why do they always make it seem so easy? Okay, it's very hard. Why did I decide to do this? Have I lost my mind? Who said this was a good idea? But who said it's not possible? We're gonna need a lot of frostings to really make it sturdy and not about to crumble off every 5 seconds. Oh, I didn't look at this side. Oh no, that's too much. But it's fine. Also, please do not come in here. My parents are probably wondering who they're raising. I said don't come in here. They're gonna disown me soon. They're gonna disown me right after this, right after they eat the cake. They're gonna be like, alright, happy birthday, goodbye. They're gonna disown me. Do you think it's possible I lift this up and put this on this plate? I'm thinking no. Because I need another spatula. What's the worst that could happen, right? It's just like 2 inches. But it's actually very heavy. Very not sturdy. I really underestimated how hard this was gonna be. You know what? I did it with my hands. I mean, my mom is regretting the choice of giving birth to me, and I totally understand that. I mean, I would regret giving birth to a child like that. 괜찮아. It's okay. Nothing to worry about. It's all fine. Everything's under control. It's going how it should be. No cake is collapsing. Woo! It's fine. Nothing to worry about. It's just drooping a little. And also leaning to the side. And potentially on the edge of falling apart. I better hurry up. I feel like this cake is a sign that my 14th year on Earth is not going to end well. Either I die at the age of 14, or something miserable happens, or maybe both. First time working with frosting, okay? So you can't expect perfection. A little not straight. A little not straight, a little gay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Nothing to worry about. Cover all our mistakes in frosting. That's a little too much. My friends are probably playing Genshin right now. I know. Okay, maybe I should say positive things. This cake doesn't look that bad. There's a hair in this thing. But definitely my hair. The teacher's gonna be asking, why did you not do your schoolwork? Because I'm busy doing this. My mom is probably watching a documentary about disowning their child and how to disown you. There's a little cave. The bottom is good. The top is whack. I think we're done. Just time for the finishing touch. The beads on top, which I can't open. Okay. So they just sprinkle it on. These are edible. Hey, ain't too bad. I can't. Oh, it's so hot. Oh. It's very sweet. I'm gonna clean this up. It's not the best, but it's fine. It's 12 a.m. Not too long. Okay. Okay. No candles, because I don't like candles. And I can't blow them through my mask anyways. What else do you do on your birthday? You make a wish, right? Now that I remember any of my wishes. 13 birthdays, I've only remembered one wish when I was 7. And it hasn't come true yet. And that wish was to meet somebody in real life. I did it. Look at that! Hey! Okay. Okay. Hey! Not too bad. Now, taste test. And I can't eat with a mask on, so I'm gonna just look at the cake while I eat. Let's try the pistachio. I've never had pistachio before until today. Strawberry. Blueberry. Ironically, blueberry is my favorite.